cap, this will be your third, triple secure all of your crystals. I am going to squeeze out just a little bit, like that much. You don't see, just a little bit. Get closer. You don't need it that much. You only need it when you feel scratchy. So I'm gonna do a little quick exam. You don't see that I'm just doing it, but I didn't squeeze anything out. So it feels scratchy right here. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit. Same thing, try not to squeeze it all the time. You only needed it when you feel into the spot and then the edges, the gap that you need to. You don't want just like, oh, it's already stay nice and smooth. You don't need to squeeze it in because you might using too much of precision glue gel. All right, so I am sealing on the top of the frame and the metals and the metal art, but I am not, and then the beads, but I'm not feeling on the top of my crystal. Try not to avoiding it because it's gonna destroy your sparkle, your cut, and your sparkle and the shine of your crystal. All right, so keep for 30 seconds. 60 seconds, I'm sorry. Thank you, everyone. Hope you all enjoy your Monday. Hope you have a fabulous Monday, and I hope the tutorial will help you so much on the business. For all of you who are thinking to be a nail technician, if you're able to make it. For all of you who is really new with crystal placement and have a troubleshooting with your crystal placements only come up, you see it's all beautiful crystal, and then picture the clients asking you, but then your hair tastes like, oh, I'm not sure the crystal come up, I don't do it. You don't know how much of the opportunity that you will miss in order for you to make additional income for your business. So just don't afraid of trying it out. And this is a cap. So if you are having troubleshooting, you can definitely watching a lot of our tutorials. We do so many, between 1,000 salon nail techs, and also so many salons successful with our system with trifecta, which is crystal placement trifecta. And I'm so happy and I love to see all of your beautiful creation. So here's a tip and trick. If I using a little bit extra precision glue, do not panic. Don't put it on the LED lamp yet. Using your twin tip brush and blend it out first. So then when you cure, it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy. It doesn't look like a big lumps on the side of your beautiful, gorgeous crystal. Blend it first and then you cure it. So it makes really nice and flawless. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Brazils. I know, right? Can't wait to what is come up. Brazil, like, oh my God, what is this, Nancy? It's coming, Brazils. I can't wait. Well, our team behind the scenes in the office with the webmaster doing it so hard to get everything to celebrate our 100,000 followers. All right, just the cuticles. What am I talking about? Cuticle, alcohol. Just wipe it off. Just removes all the residues, which is that I just have, and it's only a remaining of gorgeous. Here, let me show you what it is. That's the foil I use in number 89. Look at that.